Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use Excel formula to identify duplicates in a given column. So as you can see here, I've got a list of names in column A, and in column B, we are going to count the number of times the values in column A is appearing in this list. So for that, we'll be using the Countif formula. Countif, open the bracket, and there are two inputs. One is range and criteria. Range will be the column that you are checking for duplicates. Criteria will be the value that you are checking. Right? In this case, it will be A2, close the bracket, enter. So John is appearing two times in this list. So when you drag the formula across each of the names, you will get to see the number of times this value is occurring in the entire list. So any name having a value greater than 1 are having multiple entries. So that's how you identify duplicates using formula. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.